Okay, I had a problem in my kitchen sink with this kitchen sink separating from the granite. This well, I guess what they call under counter install. And I wish I would have filmed this before I started the repair, but I thought the solution that I found was given to me by an off-duty employee at Lowe's named Rick. So he gave me a solution. I thought it was so great that I thought I had to share it. I had the kitchen redone about 7 years ago. I can't remember why, but I was told to do the final silicone caulking around the sink, which I somehow procrastinated and never did. It separated. We had a gap here of about, I don't know, ½ inch, ¾ inch, and it looked like the whole sink was going to give way. So I scoured the internet for quite a long time, trying to come up with an economical solution that I thought was good, and I never could settle on it. And then the guy at Lowe's told me, he says, well, we'll try this. He walked me around Lowe's and suggested a few different products. One was this liquid nails Fuse It for all surfaces, and then silicone, 100% silicone, 10-year mold-free guarantee, and also a lifetime guarantee. But he said essentially the silicone by itself should be enough to hold this. But as an insurance, he said, go back, and because you can't drill in and put clips under in the granite, he suggested that I buy hardwood. This is oak. Cut it into pieces. Underneath it will fit between the countertop and the sink, and then go in with liquid nails and essentially put a dollop of the liquid nails here. Put that up there, and it will kind of serve as a clip, because that will seal nice and hard, and maybe put 1, 2, 3, 4, one on each corner, and then also maybe one on each side. So a total of about 6 of these. I've got 2 installed. I installed them last night. We talked about maybe doing a clamp system to support, pull up the sink from the bottom, but that would require me to take all the plumbing off from at least one side, and I didn't want to do that, and had to buy expensive clamps and blah blah blah. So he said just buy some 1x2 boards. And you can see what I've done in here. See that? Yeah, so let's do right. I don't know. Got my liquid nails, homemade wood block clips. One there, and one on this side. Anyways, I thought this was about the best solution I could have come up with. It wasn't from the internet. A Lowe's employee who used to do this as a real job. So I went in there again, and I discovered that holding these up by that piece of 1x2 boards was kind of futile. When you put a nice dollop of liquid nails on the thing and give it a nice push and hold it just for a few seconds, the suction it creates is enough to hold it on there. So I've got the original 1 and 2 pieces that I did, and then this morning I just decided to take the additional oak wood pieces and just put pieces all the way around. So I got an extra piece there, a third piece there on the left side. There's a piece I put, there's a piece I put this corner in. So there's 1, 2, 3 along the front, one along the side, one in the back corner. So if that doesn't hold it, I'm figuring nothing will.